Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus. We can do about factorization by x squared. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 1 over 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we got 1 over 9 tan t square. Number 9, we can simplify tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. This one, after we do first derivative, we have 1 over 3 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. dx we change for this one. So this one, that is about 1 over 9 tan t square. So number 9 and number 9 we cancel. And this one, that is about secant of t square. This one, that is about 1 over 9 tan t square. And now we need to simplify. So this one, we have number 3 gone here. This one, that is about cosine t square. This one we can transform into cosecant of t square minus number 1. The integration of this one, that is about negative cosine t. Number 1, that is about t. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we put number 3 go to the left, and we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.